Urban Crew sa AGT. Sumali sila doon, guys. Philippine Pride. Come on, let's go. I-react natin, guys.
Amazing. What do?
We are dancing and break dancing and acrobat.
All right. And why AGT?
Because this is the biggest stage and we believe being a Filipino, it could be a big contribution for our beloved country. Philippines.
Let's go.
Now, very important question. Think you can win it?
Yes, we do, because we work hard for this.
Yes.
Because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
You all went blonde. I love it. You have more fun now that you're blonde?
Yes, ma'am.
I like it.
Lahat blondie.
Hell, they just want to perform, don't you?
They're ready.
You're itching for this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's
Let's
do it.
go.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, Philippine Pride. Exciting, ah.
People, are you ready?
Miss tuloy sumayaw. Kasi hindi na pwede. Galing niya ito, guys. Urban Crew, Philippines to. Kaya sarap i-react kasi anong dancer din tayo eh. Yun eh, dancer daw eh. Woo! Galing! Lupit! Woo! Aso! Grabe! Galing! Ayan o. Lupit o. Oh, boom! Sa stage pa yan. Puro tumblingan to, guys. Urban Crew. Shout out sa inyo mga Filipino Pride. Galing niyo talaga, mga idol. Yun yun. Ang layo. Galing. Ilan yun? 6. Muntik na mapindot. Galing. Super galing talaga ng Pilipino. The best talaga kayo, mga Filipino Pride talaga. Sarap tuloy ulit sumayaw, guys. Nakaka-miss din. Thanks for watching, guys.